All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So today I want to go over how much union apprentices make per hour. You can see all the numbers right here. I'll try to explain it to you as best as possible. This is just per hour. I'm going to probably make another video of how much union apprentices make per year. You kind of have to do some math on that just because you usually work about 2,000 hours a year, so you'd have to divide up like half this year of 3,500 to 4,000 and all that good stuff. So I'll try to go over that here in a second once I get a few more details of information. But just going over how much you make per hour. So this isn't by year right here. This is by per period. So in the first year, you'll probably hit these first 2,000 hours. Second year, you'll hit 2,000, and then you'll be in the middle of the fourth one by about 4,000 hours, and then from there in the next year, third year, you'll hit 4,000 to 6,000, and then from the fourth year, you'll be at 6,000 to 8,000. So if that makes sense to you, hopefully it does. But let's just go ahead and start the numbers. So when you start out in the union, from the school that I would have went to if I was in the union, but the union that I'm joining starts out at $20.14 an hour, and then $22.66, $25.18, $30.21, $35.25, and then lastly $42.80. So that is how much union apprentices make, what they start out and what they end with before they journey out into the $50.35 an hour. So once you finish your apprenticeship at $42.80 an hour, you get an $8 raise up to $50.35 an hour. So that's what I will be starting at here tomorrow in the union. So anyways, I think that pretty much wraps it up for this video, just nice and short. But yeah, I'll try to get the salary or how much money that union apprentices make per year here shortly. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.